Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about uniform distribution, and we will take an example of rolling a fair die. When we roll a die, what are the total outcomes? It can be 1 to 6. When we plot the distribution of this event, how will the distribution look like? On x-axis, I have the random variable that can be from 1 to 6, and on y-axis I have the probability density function. So this probability density function is denoted by fx. So what is the probability of getting 1? It is 1 by 6, right? If the die is fair, having no bias, the probability will be 1 by 6. Similarly, for 2 will have 1 by 6, and similarly for all the 6 possible outcomes will have the same probability, right? So this kind of distribution where each outcome has the same probability of occurrence is known as the uniform distribution. So this graph comes out to be a fairly rectangular graph, and it's a symmetric graph, so the mean and median will be same for this graph. So it will be mean and median, both will be same for uniform distribution, and the area under the curve, this rectangular area that you can see, is equals to 1, because each occurrence is having a probability of 1 by 6. That means 6 times 1 by 6, 1. So just like in any other distribution, the area under the curve will be 1. Now let's discuss some examples of uniform distribution. Let's start with your monthly expenditures. You can think for a moment that the monthly expenditures, your personal expenditures from past few months may be following a uniform pattern, or the water consumption, right? Your personal water consumption over a period of time, or your electricity consumption of your home, right? Maybe from few months your home is having a kind of similar electricity consumption per month, or battery performance of your cell phones. You get it charged in the morning and it is giving you around 13 to 14 hours of battery backup each day. There are many real life instances that are following uniform distribution. So all the n number of possible outcomes uniform distribution are equally likely, like we saw in rolling a fair die, from where the outcomes were 1 to 6 and probability of getting these outcomes are equal. And we know that uniform distribution curve is rectangular. That is why it is also known as rectangular distribution. So this is it in the uniform distribution. See you in the next video.